What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another weekly outlook. This is where we make our predictions for what's going to go on with the pairs this week. I have these four pairs that I'm looking at right now: GU, GCAD, Gold, and Nasdaq. As you can see, there has been some gaps during the weekend, and if you've been paying attention to the news, you know that there's a war going on between Israel and Palestine, something like that, some other country, and that caused gaps in the market. So you can see GCAD, GU, gold especially. Actually, gold was just not a gap, but a strong push to the upside. And we see on the NASDAQ that price is retesting this area. So let's start with the GU. I do not like this gap right here. So I'm going to be very careful with the trades I take on this one. But you can see that price created an inverse head and shoulders. 1, 2, it'll be better on an 8-hour. Better for you to see 1, 2, and 3. We had the break above, and now we're getting the retest of the zone to continue to the upside. I'm going to look to take price to this weekly 123-200 level, and we'll see what happens from there. On GCAD, another gap. And on this, we can see that price broke above this weekly level, 165.800. Go to the weekly time frame. We know that price... Oh, there's another weekly level right over here. So this is going to be pretty interesting for GCAD. I'm looking for longs. Definitely, especially to fill in this gap right here. Looking to get a gap play on this one. But I need more structure on this. I need more structure on here. Maybe if price comes down more, starts breaking structure to the upside, I can probably look for a retest to take price up from there to continue to the upside. So that's something I'll be looking for a retest, and then for price to start breaking structure to the upside so we can catch buys up to about this gap right here that I showed you guys on the daily time frame. Nice imbalance that you see. Gold, we as well have a gap, or not a gap, but we had a strong push up. You can see on the 5-minute time frame this huge candle that just exploded up. And again, because news over the weekend. But for gold, we just broke below this monthly level. Now, again, we are at the beginning of the month, so this monthly level might just leave a huge wick and continue to the upside. But I'm going to be very patient for this one. I have to be very patient for this trade. Still looking for shorts, but to look for shorts, I will need more structure to form and structure to break to the downside. I can take price down even lower to this 1800 level. If I want to look for buys, I would have to see same thing but in reverse. Price start breaking to the upside. I want price to break above this monthly level first before we even start looking for buys. Break above, come back, then start creating some structure, some breaks to the upside, and I'll start looking for my entry signal on the retest to continue up to this daily time frame, because on this daily we have a nice level that price left behind, so we can potentially take price to the downside. So that's currently what I'm looking at on gold, on the first 3 pairs, and on the NASDAQ. Very nice retest happening right now. Our very clean retest happening right now, but you got to be patient and wait. We see that price tried to buy above earlier, but could not. Price shorted, bought, shorted, and this was the NFP move right here. This whole thing right here was NFP. NFP was wild this week or last week, so yeah, I didn't expect NFP to be that wild. But for the most part, we had a nice break above this 8-hour candle. Just crazy. You can see on the daily, this is how the daily looks. Very beautiful bullish daily candle. Now, as you can see, we are retesting this level right over here, as you see in the blue. And I'm waiting for price to give me my entry signal. And then I will take the buys up to at least 15,160. All right, so those are my outlooks for the pairs this week. Simple, easy. Buys on NAS. Looking for more structure on gold to either buy or sell. Looking for more structure on GCAD to buy up to this imbalance to fill in the imbalance. And on GU, looking to buy as well. All right, just need my entry signal and then take price up to the 123.200. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I will see you guys next week for the next weekly outlook, but I'm going to post videos in between the week. So stay prepared. I will see you guys in the next video.